Need to empty the hopper on your Pit Boss KC combo or replace the parts that let you do it? This is the clean out. It's two small pieces, a slide plate on the side and a cover on the drop chute at the back, and together they're how you change pellet flavors without scooping the hopper out by hand. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. About 15 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. But first, power off, cord unplugged, and everything cool to the touch. Then, we can work. You're going to be releasing a hopper full of pellets, so you want the grill off and settled before you start, rather than halfway through a cook. Step 2. Find both pieces, because there are two and they're on different faces of the hopper. Pit Boss puts it plainly. There's a plate on the side of the hopper, and there's a cover on the drop chute on the backside. One of them holds the pellets in, and the other is where they come out. Step 3. Before you open anything, put a clean, empty pail under the drop chute cover. That order matters. The manual says pail first, and the reason is obvious the moment you get it wrong. Step 4. Now take the cover piece off the drop chute. That's the plug at the back, and with it out, you've opened the path the pellets are going to take. Step 5. Then unscrew the plate on the side and slide it outwards. That's the whole mechanism. The plate is what's holding the pellets back, and sliding it is what lets them go. Step 6. And the hopper empties into the pail. Let it run, and give the hopper a gentle shake near the end, because pellets bridge against the walls, and a little movement brings the last of them down. Step 7. With both pieces in your hand, look at them. The plate fails by warping or by losing its seal, so it stops sliding cleanly or lets fines leak past it. The cover fails by cracking, usually around the edge where it's been levered out one too many times. Either one is a couple of dollars, so there's no reason to persevere with a broken one. Step 8. Fit the new pieces. The plate goes back on the side, and its screws hold it. And it needs to sit flat so it can slide the whole way. The cover pushes back into the drop chute at the back. Step 9. Slide the plate back to closed and check it seats all the way, because a plate left part open will leak pellets and fines down the outside of the hopper. Then, make sure the cover is fully home at the back. Step 10. If you emptied it for storage rather than for a flavor change, there's one more thing. Pit Boss asks you to run the auger dry with the hopper empty, so no pellets are left sitting in the feed system. Damp pellets in there over a winter is how auger sees. Now, let's make sure it's working. Slide the plate open and closed and check it travels the whole way without catching. Then, look along the closed plate and the cover for any gap at the edges, and refill the hopper and watch underneath for a while, because nothing should be finding its way out. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 questions this answers. First, how do you change pellet flavors? This is how. You don't scoop the hopper out, and you don't run it empty through the fire. You empty it out of the bottom in a couple of minutes, put the new bag in, and prime it. Second, do you need both parts? Not necessarily. They're sold separately and they fail for different reasons, so replace the one that's actually broken. If the plate still slides clean and seals, leave it alone. 2 things worth doing. First, empty the hopper before the grill sits for any length of time and run the auger dry after. Pellets absorb moisture out of the air, and swollen pellets are what jam a feed system. Second, keep the slide track clean. Fines build up in the channel, and that's what turns a plate that used to slide with one finger into one you have to fight. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.